All right, third grade friends, today we are going to be filling in our subtraction table in order to learn about different strategies that we can use to solve subtraction facts. The first one that we're going to learn about are our zero facts. Zero facts. So that one you're going to color in zero facts, the color red. So we're going to go ahead and grab our highlighter. We're going to go up to red. And once we've got red, we're going to color in next to it and the legend. Super. And now we're looking for facts where we're taking away 0. So for example, 5 minus 0, that gets you 5, right? When you take away 0 from any number, you are left with the same number that you started with. Same thing with 8, for example. 8 minus 0, you end up with 8. So you may notice that all along this top row are where you're taking away 0, like 18 minus 0, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and color in all of those, and hopefully you will do an even nicer, neater job than I'm doing. I'm trying to do it quickly so you all can see what to do. All right, next up, you're going to switch over and you're going to write down here, count back facts. Great. These facts you're going to be coloring yellow. So grab that highlighter, go up to yellow. Right, color in yellow. Super. So our count back facts are the ones where we count back either 1, 2, or 3, because it's pretty easy to count back 1, 2, or 3 in your head. For example, if I have 5 and I take away 1, I end up with 4. That's not too hard to do, counting back. If I am at 7, if I have 7 and I am taking away 2, that's not too hard either. I do 7, 6, 5. Okay, got my 5. That's an easy strategy as well. Taking away 3 is not too hard either. For example, if you have 9 and you're taking away 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, and you have your answer 6. So all these where you're taking away 1, all of these where you're taking away 2, all of these where you're taking away 3, they will all be colored in yellow. All right, now you've colored all of those in yellow. And so the next step is going to be take all facts. These are kind of fun. So I'm going to write in take all facts. You've got that. These are going to be blue. So grab your highlighter, grab blue. Make sure that you're always using the highlighter tool, friends, because if you color in with a different tool, you will not be able to see your facts. So you're going to be looking for taking away everything. So for example, if I had 4 and I took away 4, I would end up with 0, right? Because when I take away everything, I don't have anything left, and so I have 0. Same thing, even if I go down here with 17 and I take away 17, I'm going to end up with 0, right? So every single one of these on the diagonal, where you're taking away everything, is going to end up being 0. These are super simple facts, your take all facts. And so you're going to go ahead and fill those in. You might have noticed while you were coloring these in that there's actually some overlap up here, and these should also be colored in. So if you want to grab a tinier tool and go around the outside to show that these also belong in there, you can do that as well. That's up to you. Next up are your neighbors' facts. Neighbors' facts. Okay, these are a little bit tricky because very similar to the take all facts, these facts are going to involve taking away almost all. So I'm going to grab my highlighter, and this time I'm going to get orange. And on my legend, I'll color in orange. And I'm going to be looking for facts that are taking away nearly everything, but not everything. So for example, 7 minus 7, we took away all of it, and we had 0. But 7 minus 6, we are only taking away most of it, but we're leaving 1. So that's 1. If I if I take away nearly everything except for 2, it's another neighbor fact, not too far away. So for example, 7 minus 5, still end up with, I'm not taking away all, but I'm taking away nearly everything, just 2 less. So same thing here. You're going to go ahead. Another example might be if I have, instead of taking away all 13, if I take away 13 minus 12, I'm still taking away everything except for 1. And if I take away 13 minus 11, I'm taking away everything except for 2. Those are neighbors' facts, all right? So you're going to be coloring in the neighbors' facts, and you might notice that they have a little bit of a pattern here, also going along the diagonal. Okay, next up are take away 10 facts. Take away 10 facts. And those are pretty awesome and pretty simple. We're going to be coloring those in purple. So I'm going to grab my highlighter, go down to purple, color in. So take away 10 facts are where we're going to actually take away the number 10 from a number that's a teen or above. And in order to, when we do that, we end up with just the number of ones left over, right? So for example, if I have 10 and I take away 10, well, I end up with 0. Or for a better example, perhaps if I have 12 and I take away 10, I end up with 2. So that would be 1. Or if I have 15 and I take away 10, I end up with 5. Or if I have 18 and I take away 10, I end up with 8. So you can see they're kind of all in this row here by the 10, and you want to color those in purple. Tabs. Next up is our back to 10 facts. Back to 10 facts. Okay, so these facts are ones where we're taking away, actually they'll be brown, so let me back up a little bit, grab the brown. There we are. So I'm going to color in brown right here. So back to 10 facts are facts where we're taking away the ones part and getting back to 10. So for example, if I look for 14 here and I take away 4 from 14, I'll end up with 10. Does that make sense? So I'm getting back to 10. Another example would be if I take 16 and I take away 6, I'll end up with 10. If I take 19 and I take away the 9, I'll end up with 10. And you can kind of see that these are all going to be in a diagonal here, because 15 minus 5, and 17 minus 7, and 18 minus 8, and 20 minus 10, and you kind of can back it up to here and see that all of these facts are all getting you back to 10 again. So you'll color those in brown. Awesome. I know that it's going to be really hard to remember all of this when you are doing this work you're on your own, so I want to draw your attention to this little doodad right here. It says click here for audio directions. You're going to want to, for sure, click on this because it's going to give you the same directions I just gave you about what to put where. It's just not going to show you. It's going to just tell you. So under the legend, write 0 facts, color it red, and color in these facts, right? And so that's what you're going to want to make sure you use when you are filling this in for yourself. All right, friends, I know you can do it, super geniuses. If you have other facts, I bet you can put them here